Glide your fingers out to the corner of the jaw and continue using the sides of the hands along the jawline until your fingertips connect at the base of the chin. Starting with your pinky finger, quickly roll each finger into the palms one after the other to create a loose fist. Rotate your loose fist counterclockwise and release below the chin into a swan dive. Your thumbs and pointer fingers should be touching. Bring your palms together and interlace fingers. Slide your hands while slowly releasing your fingers, moving up over the cheeks to the temples. Circle around the eyes 3 times, and then slide your hands down the sides of the neck and back to the chin. Repeat movement 3 times.